kind of thing, you know. I quite like that. Okay, oh, here we go. Right, so this is Sam and Emily, lovely people I've just met here in the waiting room and when we missed the train to Abergavenny. And I'm going to do a quick drawing or painting of the two of them, and I recommend that maybe your project for your second day would be to find a couple of people who are fairly relaxed in each other's company and see if you can do a little sketch of them or a drawing. And I've got my watercolours because I'm heading to Abergavenny to do that 2-day watercolour portraiture workshop, so I've got everything in my suitcase there. So it was kind of irresistible when I saw Emily's lovely hair and her head on Sam's shoulder there that I thought, quite a nice composition, make the most of it. So we better get moving or we're going to miss the next train as well. All right, so thanks, yeah, at ease. All right, okay. So we'll have the sounds of the train station now as I paint. All right, let's see. More models. Hi, I'm actually recording a video here, but of course you are. Yeah, just to let you know if you don't want to be in it, you're better sitting there. Not at all. It's fine. Okay, so there we are. Yeah, I'm working on the back of this shiny paper, so it's actually resisting the paint too much. So I'm just going to get another sheet. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so this is regular photocopying paper. This will work a bit better. Hopefully. And you guys will keep an eye on the time, will you? Yes. You know, so that we do get the next train. Are you going for the Abergavenny train as well? Yeah. Yeah. I was hoping to get the last one, but with the train being delayed that I was on from Bristol. Oh, okay. Yeah. Missed the connection. I didn't realise there was even a connection to be had. Like I thought I was supposed to just stay on the same train the whole time until someone mentioned, you get off at Newport. My head has started bleeding for some reason. It's a bit gross, I'm sorry. Okay. All right.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 2121 cross-country service to
It's a pretty big book you're reading, isn't it? It's quite...
It's not actually a book,
What is it, Lord of the Rings or something?
It's hard to explain.
Okay.
I did read it when I was a child.
Yeah, I like books when the writing is a good size.
I've been trying to get back into reading since finishing a history degree.
Okay.
So it's something familiar.
I guess you did a lot of reading for history, did you?
Yeah.
Did it kind of put you off reading a bit?
Hugely.
Yeah.
It was all kind of really long, wide stuff.
Yeah.
It wasn't really about much.
It wasn't really about what?
Not really about much.
Okay.
There's a lot of dusty old academics arguing with each other about really small details. That was very exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's probably the best way to get back into it is to read something you kind of already know.
Yeah, maybe that you did love as a child, I suppose.
Yeah. I remember reading it in 2 or 3 sittings when I was young.
2 or 3 sittings, that book, when you were a child?
Yeah.
Wow, you were dedicated.
It reads quite quickly, yeah. It's not like hard going.
Right, you have to tell us what the book is now, come on. Mm-hmm.
It's, I guess fantasy, about the anything. And the main character just goes through loads of really surreal lives, almost like a cat with expression in 9 lives.
Oh, okay.
But it's 13 and a half lives. And it just follows him going through this kind of bizarre continent, living really surreal lives.
What's the name of the book?
It's the 13 and a half lives of Captain Blue Bear.
Okay.
So the main character is a blue bear.
Never heard of
That
it.
sounds stupid.
No.
Someone's described it as like J.K. Rowling on steroids. No,
J.K.
on
Rowling
acid.
on acid?
Yeah. The author. He's written a bunch, I read a few when I was younger as well. He's like some German illustrator.
Mm-hmm.
I think a bit nuts.
Can you get a different leaf? Emily's clothes now. Let's see.
Do you usually do a portrait?
That's what the workshop will be on. Portraiture. I've left my tubes of paint at home by mistake though, so I've just got to use what's in the palette. Until I get there, hopefully they'll have stuff that I can borrow for the demonstration. Let's see. Oh, is that still running? Oh, it is here. Oh, got a nice purple. I can use that. Are you guys comfortable enough there?
Yeah, good.
Almost done, I'd say.
That's quick. That's quick.
Yeah. I just go with how much memory I have on my phone, really. It's alright. See ya. So, yeah, really, I guess the inspiration here is to kind of take the opportunity when maybe things don't go to plan to see if there's something that you can do in the time, some kind of creative activity that you could do that would be slightly make the wait a little bit easier, you know, the way. Are you going to be working for the year, Sam?
I'm self-employed, so
Okay.
I sell clothing, vintage clothing.
Do you? Oh,
Yeah,
great.
so just gonna keep doing that.
Brilliant. And is it online or?
Yeah,
do you
it's
have
on ASOS Marketplace. I'm familiar with that, but yeah, I've been doing it for years.
Okay, brilliant.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 21:27
Maybe it's something else to keep me busy.
transport from Wales.
Pardon?
Service
Maybe
to
another thing to
Cheltenham
keep me busy, I
Spa,
don't know.
Seven Tunnel Junction, Caldecott, Chepstow, Lydney,
Oh,
Gloucester.
business is overrated, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't want to wear a job.
Of the 21:27 transport from Wales.
It's like in the Tale of Pooh. Have you read that book, The Tale of Pooh? They talk about busy Baxon. He's so busy, he's always like busy Baxon, like Baxon, I'll be Baxon. That's his name.
Yeah.
And it's like all about kind of not having enough time for anything.
Yeah, it's like you find a lot more time to do stuff I actually want to do. It's a good job to have right now. So I can work when I want to.
Pardon?
I can work when I want to and do as much as I want now. If I need to take.
Have you got work related to your degree or not?
No, not really.
It really happens, does it?
Yeah. It would just be some generic job anyway. Unless I go into teaching, but I don't think I will.
Service to Cheltenham Spa, Corner 7 Tunnel Junction, Caldecott, Chepstow, Lydney, Gloucester, and
They say that the most common career probably for a history degree is accounting.
Accounting?
Yeah.
That sounds bizarre.
Yeah.
I don't know where the connection is there.
I reckon it's something about thinking logically and but I barely do my own accounts, so I can't see that happening.
What did you say?
I said I barely do my own accounts, so I can't really see that happening.
Yeah, it wouldn't be my first choice for sure. Just half closing the eyes there now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right, I think that's me. I've done what I want to do there. And it's almost time up actually. So thanks very much for watching. It's a pretty slapdash kind of affair here, but really good fun and just lovely as usual, playing with the flow of the water to transport the pigment around the place. That's time up now nearly. This is Aine X signing off. 30 Days of Art with Aine. Have a look at the links below if you want to know more about what I do. Bye. And thanks, Sam and Emily.